How's it going, y'all? What's the issue? What y'all got going on?
So one thing I want to let you know, I think that gentleman was after the house for where the customer's being hostile.
Okay.
Guy behind you.
Okay. How's it going, man?
I think we're talking about the same thing.
Okay.
Are you talking about the lady?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's. I'm talking to the mobile health unit right now.
Okay.
That's my ex-wife who's over with me, and I think she's having a break from reality.
Okay.
Said after dinner she told me I killed people, and I killed someone in college, and she was videotaping me. And
Okay. That's all stuff that was going on while this was happening over here.
right after, I said, "What are you doing?"
Okay.
It's not a child molester. She's still home.
This is your ex-wife,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay.
My sister. Sorry.
Can I get your driver's license?
Yeah.
And where is she right now?
Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you for the help. I'm sorry, sir.
No, you're fine.
I've been trying to protect this whole time.
Okay. Where is she right now?
She's in the house.
She's in the house. Okay. I'll just have you go sit in the truck real quick, and I'll come.
I did say it was right, but go ahead.
Yeah. I'm gonna have some other unit come, or I do have another unit coming with me. We're gonna go make contact with her, just talk to her. Chances are, what we'll do is what we call an emergency detention order. So where we just take her to a hospital, and that has the psyche resources that can give her the help that she needs, and go from there. Houston Police. Houston Police. How are you doing, ma'am? Hi. Can you put your dog inside so you can come talk to me real quick?
Curtis, inside.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
No, I'll have to go back inside and get it. But
Okay.
what do you need?
So we got a call about a disturbance out here because you were yelling at some workers going on. I'm just trying to figure out.
Centerpoint Energy?
Yeah, what's going on?
Releasing ether? Gas? Are they for ether? Do they release gas?
No, they're trying to seal up the gas.
No, they're not.
So if you can just
If you can just go back to them and ask them what are they doing with gas?
they're trying to seal it up
Why would they do that?
because they have a gas leak in their
They're
home.
lying.
No, they're not, ma'am.
Yes, they are.
So what's
Yes,
when you
they
were
are.
yelling at them? What were you?
Pedophile.
Okay, so what's with the pedophile part?
They're pedophiles.
Okay. What reasoning is behind?
Why don't you go and ask them about
No,
Charlotte?
ma'am, I already talked with them, and now I'm talking to you.
Okay, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
I'm shitting on myself while I'm talking to you.
Okay. Why are we doing that?
Well, I have problems with my body.
Okay. So, do you?
I'm not giving you anything right now.
Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
trying to talk to you and you keep interrupting me.
Okay, tell me
Why
what
are you
got
doing
going on.
that? So you're for Houston Police, right?
Yes, I'm Officer Santos with Houston Police
HPD?
Department. Mhm.
Can you call your boss?
My boss?
Yes.
You want a supervisor?
Yes, I want your boss.
Okay, I can do that for
Do
you.
that right now because I'm shitting on myself as you're talking.
Okay.
And I'd rather wash my asshole off and shit in the toilet.
No, ma'am, you can't go inside just yet. You gotta wait.
No,
Yeah, ma'am.
I will go inside the...
Ma'am, please don't go inside your home. You have any weapons in the house?
Yes, sir.
What do you have?
I have a 7.62 upstairs under my bed.
Okay.
And there's a Glock 40 caliber in the center floor. When you walk up the stairs, it's long.
Does she know that they're there? Has she ever used them before?
I mean, like, a long time ago we went to the shooting, but
Okay.
so yes. Yeah,
Okay.
It's a gun.
Yeah, okay.
Come downstairs. Hey, she's right here.
Yeah, I see her.
Just tell me if she moves her hands.
Yeah. She's yelling at us. She's got a vest on. She's got a bulletproof vest on.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Hey, take cover behind the car.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. That's your hands. She showed me her gun. She showed me your Glock. Yeah.
Miss Charla, we are just here to help you. I know. Can you come down and talk to me? You want to come down? I'm here to help you. Yes. Centerpoint is gone. Centerpoint is no longer on the block. Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. It's just me and my officers now. What? That's my car. Why is that a problem? Not me. Not me. Ma'am, there is no one at your door. All my officers are... I don't know. I don't know. No. Hey, ma'am, I'm not lying to you. I'm out here trying to help you, try to talk to you. That's all I want to do. What's that? I did not hear you. What's that? Charla, none of my officers went up to your door. If that was Centerpoint, Centerpoint went up to your door and they are now gone. They are nowhere on the block. Because your ex-husband and myself and my officers fear for your safety. We are afraid that you are going to hurt yourself or somebody else. Yes. You just had a vest on. You just had a vest on and a gun in your hand. I'm looking to get you the help you need. What's that? None of my HPD off. Now I can hear you, yes. That's fine. What's that?
You heard me, bitch.
What are you about to do?
Get SWAT right now. Do it. Get fucking SWAT right now. Do it.
Yeah, I see it.
You sick motherfucker.
What you got there, Miss Charla?
I have my fucking in the fucking state. What I got. I know you hear the scream. What you saying in my head right now? Go down to the
What are they saying?
What are you?
That's why I'm asking you, Miss Charla.
Don't call me Miss Charlotte.
All right, so what would you like me to call you?
God.
God? So what do we want done here tonight? What do you want?
I want you to be freed up from Centerpoint. Why is everything under my house?
Centerpoint is not at your house.
Fuck up, bitch.
Hey,
Someone needs to get him down.
get who down?
The line that whore. You got to go down in a minute. You got the fucking problem.
Ma'am, I am not here with Centerpoint. Centerpoint is no longer at your front door because I'm not coming out from behind my car because I can see you just perfectly. I'm not coming out from behind my car. I'm not. You're right. But that doesn't mean I'm going to stop talking to you, trying to talk to you. Ma'am, I am here to try to help you.
Are you scared?
Ma'am, I'm not going to answer that.
All right, so get loaded. Get ready.
Yeah, watch her hands. Watch her hands. Hey, Miss Ford, you got good cover? Yeah, come back on this.
Want to ask her about the money?
She's grabbing some.
What is that? Oh, she's putting the vest on. Yeah, she's putting that vest back on. Hey, you got good cover right there? You good?
For the most part, yeah.
Hey, if something pops off or if she shows that gun, we're moving back. I'm not going to... No, she is currently on the second floor right above the garage, but we still have eyes on her. Hey, she's moving out.
That's her gun.
Yep, that's a gun. She's got a pistol in her right hand.
You want me to go back?
She just put it down.
You want me to go back or no?
If you can get good eyes back here, move back. She just cocked back. Hey.
I heard her.
She shut the door, stated she was going to put her vest on, and she's ready to fight.
We don't want you harm. We don't want to get your head harmed. But you need to come out. You may come out with your dog. But you have to come out right now to the front door. Come out the front door with nothing in your hand. Do not be in possession of any weapon. Either you come out or not come out. Charlotte, nothing will come.
All right, she's back at the window. All right, duck to CP, shot fired from my location. Suspect went down just inside the window.